Hello students. Today we are going to discuss how to represent the fractional number on a graph paper. So suppose we need to represent A whose coordinate is 4 by 3 comma minus 1, B whose coordinate is 7 by 2 comma 5 by 3, C 13 by 6 comma 0 and D minus 5 by 3 comma 5 by 2. So first we express it in the mixed fraction. The reason is we need to know 4 by 3, that means it is 1 by 3, that means the point lies between 1 and 2. Similarly, if it is 1 by 2, that means we can say that the point lies between 3 and 4. Now to represent it in a graph paper, we take the LCM of denominator 3, 2, 3, 6, 3, 2. So LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is 6. So LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is 6. Now multiply the coordinate with 6. So we'll get 8 comma minus 6, 21 comma 10, 13 comma 0 and 10 comma minus 15. Now let us check how to represent in a graph paper. Now since LCM is 6, so here my scale is, I am considering the 6 boxes as 1 unit. That will help me to plot the point accurately. So I am considering the 6 boxes as 1. So each boxes is 2 mm. So my scale is 12 mm equals to 1 unit. So I am representing the numbers on the axis. Now our first point is 4 by 3 comma minus 1. So 4 by 3, if you multiply it by 6, so you'll get 8 comma minus 6. So see, this is 6, 7, 8, 8 comma minus 6. So I am representing 8 comma minus 6, which is equal to or equivalent to 4 by 3 minus 1. B equals to 7 by 2 comma 5 by 3. So that is equivalent to 21 comma 10. So 21 comma 10. So this is B. Similarly, C is equal to 13 by 6 comma 0, which is equivalent to 13 comma 0. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 comma 0. So this is C, 13 by 6 comma 0. And the last point is D, which is equal to minus 5 by 3 comma 5 by 2, which is equivalent to minus 10 comma 15. So this is minus 10 and this is 15. So this represent D. So whenever you need to represent it in a fractional part, once you need to remember, take the LCM, and whatever be the LCM, you consider that much box equals to 1 unit, or you can take multiple of that as 1 unit. Now if these 3 points, suppose if these 3 points are in a line, then A, C and B are said to be collinear. So if you need to prove the collinearity, so you need to draw the point on a graph paper and then you need to join all these 3 points through a line. If all the points lies on the line, then we can say that the points are collinear. Or if one of the point lies outside, then we say that the points are non-collinear. Thank you student for watching this.